Hello and welcome back, everyone. It is your girl Cassandra Olivia, and if you are new, welcome to my channel, and if you are not new, thank you so much for coming back. Today I am finally in my new space, and I decided to have my friend Justice come and be my first model slash first client. So today I'm just going to do like a full silk press, and I'm going to show you guys a little bit more behind the scenes because you guys have been asking for a longer video. So without further ado, hit that subscribe button and let's get straight to the video. So Justice just had her hair braided for a couple days. She took her braids out a few days ago, and I told her not to do anything to her hair. So just right now, I'm just detangling her hair, and then I'm gonna proceed to shampoo her. So this is like my first official video in my new space. It's not done yet. It's about 75% done, but I just was ready to start creating content. So don't judge, but we're almost there. So right now I'm just going in with some stimulating conditioner and some stimulating shampoo, let me say that. And I'm just adding some of this to Justice's hair and working it through. I decided to add the shampoo clip because you guys asked for it, and before where I was at, it was just too far for me to walk from one side, set up the ring light, come back, rehook it back up just for a shampoo. But now I'm in a smaller space, so it's perfect. So typically when I shampoo my clients, I do 3 shampoos. The very first one is the deep cleanse, and you don't really get a lather with this, but you just want to make sure you're scratching the scalp not too hard, but you're just raising up any dandruff and dirt and build up in the hair. Then the second shampoo, I also do a deep cleanse mixed with moisturizing. Third shampoo, I'll either do moisturizing or stimulating, and sometimes I even get like a 4th shampoo depending on how long and how dirty the client's hair is. But for Justice, we only did 3 shampoos. So each shampoo process takes me about maybe 3 to 5 minutes. You want to make sure that you take your time when you do this, because the shampoo honestly is the best part for a lot of clients, and you don't want to rush through it. You want to give them that experience. So in total, I believe the 3 shampoos and the condition took me about 9-10 minutes. But then after that, I'm going to sit her in the dryer. So I'm just showing you guys the first couple of phases. Don't worry if it doesn't lather the first time. You just want to make sure that you're working that product through the hair. And then I'm just going to switch sides so you guys can see a little bit better how I maneuver and how I work. This video is sped up just a tiny bit, but not too much, just so that way you guys can catch the gist. Ooh, tongue twister. And so that way you guys can understand like how I maneuver. So I'm just rubbing that through. We're having some good conversation. We had such a blast today. I'm just so excited. I feel like I'm back in love with doing what I do. Like, I'm so happy. I felt like a kid getting ready for the first day of school. Like, I was just like, I can't wait to see her. So I'm gonna finish shampooing her, and I will come back when we're done. Also, while I'm thinking about it, whenever you shampoo a client's hair, you just want to make sure that you lift the head up so that way you can get the back portion of the head. You don't want to miss out on that. And also, anytime I turn the water on, I let it run for about 20 to 30 seconds to heat up to get to the proper temperature. And I always run it on my hand first, the back of the hand and the front of the hand. And then I also do like a tiny little test on the client's hair, and I ask them like, hey, is this too hot, too cold, is it okay? Because there's nothing worse than shampooing somebody's hair and the water's freezing cold or scorching hot. So that's just another thing I do. It's just honestly the little details that make me such a bomb stylist. It's just you pay attention to detail, you really take pride in your work. So here I am just putting the conditioner in her hair. I can tag this company, but honestly, this company and I have been beefing back and forth. Like, I love the products, I just don't like the customer service. So we're not going to mention what conditioner I'm using, but just know I'm putting conditioner in the hair right now. And I'm just going to go ahead and twist her hair up and then proceed to stick her into the dryer. And because Justice's hair is super long, I am using 2 shower caps just to make sure that it's not leaking and that it's fully covered. You guys know I like to take my time when I'm doing each client. So with this, you just want to make sure that when you shampoo, you're taking your time, you're not rushing. Any of the steps that you do, you just want to make sure you're doing it with pride and care and you're not rushing through each client. Because again, if you rush, you get rushed results, and that's not what we want. So now my booking is super lovely because I have all of my clients spaced out about 3 hours. And that way you just get that one-on-one time with me. There's no waits. There is just me doing your hair, no assistant. It's a nice vibe. I'm going to be serving wine. Like when I say so upscale, it's such a vibe. So many clients have DM'd me and been like, oh my God, I can't wait to get in your space. So that makes me feel super excited. So Justice, we put her in the dryer. We did post on Instagram, so make sure that you follow her and I'm going to tag her down below. But it's been about over a year since I've done her hair. So the last time I did her hair was the last time I posted her video that went viral. And I believe that was like either a year ago, a little bit over a year, or a little bit under a year. I'm not 100% sure. But that was the last time that she pressed her hair, and that's also the last time that she got her hair trimmed. So we're just going in today. I'm just going to detangle her hair. I did put in some of that Finola serum, and I'm just going section by section because she does have like a wavier texture hair. I'm just detangling the hair. I will fix the angle in just a second. I was just playing around with the space, trying to see what angle I prefer to shoot at. So this is why I'm doing this. So yeah, I'm just going to detangle her hair. I'm just going to proceed to start blow drying her out. I'm not going to show this whole part because her hair is super easy, and if you want to see that, you can see it in a ton of my other videos or her previous video that I posted about a year ago. I will also link that down below for anybody that has missed that. So we're just going to go ahead and blow dry her out. Her and I had such a good time. Like Instagram stories went crazy. I got so many DMs. People were requesting her. Like it's already a whole vibe. So I just thank you guys for bearing with me as I transition into my new space. Thank you guys for always being supportive and dropping positive comments. I know I can't respond to everyone. It's just impossible, but I do appreciate every single last one of you guys. And this bang was getting on my nerves, guys. I was over here eating the bang. Like, so I got her blow dried. She's making reels. I'm doing reels and recording. So yeah, I'm going to finish blow drying her, and then I'm going to spray her with a little bit of S3 spray, and then I'm going to proceed to press her hair out. And let me know if you guys like my new custom cape. It's so beautiful. It matches my logo on my website and my neon sign. Because I'm short, you can't see the neon sign, but if you would like to see more pictures of my suite or like another sneak peek of it, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at _Cassandra and I'll tag Justice as well. We do have that in the background, but it's just too tall from where I'm at right now. So yeah, and once the room is completely finished, I will do a tour. I promise you guys. I've actually done the before and after. I gutted this whole entire room out and customized the entire room. I'm talking paint, floor, lights, everything. The owner was super sweet and she let me customize my suite 100%. So everything in here is mine. I purchased the bowl, the mirrors, the floor, the paint, the lights, everything fully custom, everything Cassandra Olivia, boss moves. So now I'm just going in with my Cassandra Olivia Sleek Pro, and if you have not already, make sure you sign up for my mailing list because we did sell out of the pre-orders, and I will have more irons at the end of this month. So make sure you follow me at CassandraOlivia.com, and I will link that down below as well to get your hands on these bomb ass flat irons. So I'm just gonna finish pressing Justice out, and then I'm gonna proceed to trim her ends, and then we're gonna switch her out to create like a cute little look. We basically did this video just to create like a promo video and to advertise, and I wanted to shoot some videos in here just to see like how I maneuver and, you know, get used to the space. So that's the reason I had her come in today. But I actually start officially tomorrow on my first like actual client, which is actually Barry. So you might see 2 videos back to back, who knows? But I'm gonna finish pressing her out, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now we're done the trim, and I could have went up a little bit more, but that would have turned into a haircut, and I didn't want to take off too much of her length. So I'm just going to leave it as is, and as it grows, I'll just take off little by little. So this is the final look. We decided to go with a super sleek middle part, and I will also add in the clip that we added from Instagram. Make sure you follow her and I on there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm super excited to be in my new space and to show you guys what's coming. Everybody have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.